Meaning of employment.
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 Employment. Employment refers to the state of having a job, either on a full-time or part-time basis, in exchange for payment. It is an important indicator of economic growth and individual well-being, as it provides individuals and households with a source of income to meet their basic needs and contribute to their overall quality of life. Moreover, employment is also crucial for the functioning of businesses, as companies rely on a pool of skilled and motivated workers to produce goods and services and drive innovation and competitiveness in the market.